In our Power BI classes so far, day before yesterday and yesterday, we learnt installation, basic report design, then visual interaction, edit interactions, slicer visual sync, and limitation of these two items we addressed with next two items. You remember this, please, everyone? Yes. Dependencies. Yes, you remember this, everyone? Limitation of these two items.
Yes.
Yep. We learned how to address them. And then we learned grouping binning today. Let's revise. Please let me know. Shall I revise once again grouping and binning? Shall I revise it or not required? Let me know, please. I'll wait.
Not required.
Others, please let me know. I'll wait.
Yeah, good for now, sir.
Understood.
Fine. Understood. Right? Let's continue. Akshara, do you hear me, please, sister? Akshara, Saurabh, are you fine now? Please.
Yes, sir. We can go ahead, sir. Understood.
Fine, great. Let's continue our next item, hierarchy and drill down activities. Let's see how to do that. Go to Power BI. Let's go in the same order as per our curriculum. And one more thing, if you remember our lab plan, right? We are going in this order, Excel, CSV. These are the file content we need to learn as a source, data source, initial few examples. Later comes database sources. We are working with the first tool, right? Power BI desktop tool. We are going to learn few other activities as well. One by one will do. Okay. Now our requirement. Firstly, let me just close it. Launch Power BI desktop. Next.
Get data.
Exactly. Get data. Then we don't
PDF.
see PDF here. Our requirement is to get PDF content, right? But we don't see PDF. So what we do? Click more. Okay, remember more. Click on more. You'll practice these items in another 10 minutes. Let's observe carefully. Our requirement.
PDF.
What we have to do? Here it is. Click on PDF. Connect. I shall mail you one PDF today along with the class notes. So previously we have Excel, CSV. Now we are into hierarchies concept. We are going to take one PDF. We are in the 4th chapter. Select that PDF content. Select the PDF content. Next. Let's wait. In PDF, you may have image data and text file, document like paragraphs, etc. Right? Power BI can detect only table data. In PDF, assume you have a PDF with you, okay? And PDF has 9 pages. In 9 pages, you may see some n number of tables, right? Each page may have 2 tables, 10 tables, or each page may have a dedicated table. So whatever tables available in PDF will be auto detected by Power BI desktop. This kind of beauty is missing in other Power BI tools like Builder. You remember I said in the introduction class there is something called Power BI Report Builder. Remember that? There is one tool called Power BI Report Builder. Yep.
Yes.
So those Power BI Report Builder cannot read PDF data, cannot read our next concept like XML, JSON, our very next examples. It cannot read. Remember, your PDF may contain n number of tables. All those tables are identified along with the page numbers. In our sample PDF, each page has a separate table. So table number, page number, table number, page number, like this. My PDF has more number of pages. There are 18 pages in my PDF. Out of 18 pages, only first 9 pages have 9 different tables. Let's select the first table, load. Come on, where we are loading? Where we are loading? You remember? In-memory database.
X velocity. X velocity.
Exactly, X velocity database. We are going to understand how to customize that database size very soon anyway. Our course curriculum has all those activities. We'll do one by one. So remember, we are loading it into in-memory database. What we are loading? Only first table from the first PDF file. We can also load multiple tables from multiple pages, but that requires additional Power Query concepts next. Our later classes, we are going to have something called Power Query. I was telling in the introduction class, we have about 50 examples on Power BI. Power Query, sorry. Power Query alone, we have 50 examples. Out of 50, few examples talk about how to read multiple tables from PDF. For now, we are at the basic learning process as of now. Hierarchies concept, we are talking about only one table. Okay, we load the data and now double click sales data from PDF this way. Okay, are we clear so far? Please, how to read data from PDF? I'll wait before we continue. Yes, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes, others please. Kesanet, yes, Kushale, Samir, Satya,
Yes.
Saurabh, Akshara,
Yes.
others please. I'll
Yeah.
wait.
You rename it. You rename it. No? Sales data from PDF. You rename it. Sales
I just
data.
renamed it, brother. Yes, you're right. I just for an easy reference, I renamed it. Yes, because these reports we are going to publish to cloud very soon. So I just renamed it for our easy reference. Saurabh and Ramaswamy, are we clear so far? Please, I'll wait. Samir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Yeah, Samir Kulkarni, do you hear me? Please check your mic.
Yes. Yes. Sir.
Fine, brother. Let's continue. Yes. Now, what's our concept now? Once we get this content ready, we are going to define something called hierarchy.